Hi everybody, and welcome to our training video on how to log into Benefits 24/7 for PEBB Benefits Administrators. So before I get started, my name is Debbie Crumples and I'm a member of the Outreach and Training Unit within the Employee and Retiree Benefits Division. And one of my roles is to provide training to benefits administrators on how to use the resources and tools that are available to you so that you can administer PEBB benefits for your employees. And Benefits 24/7 is one of those tools. So here's some helpful information before we get started. So first, the preferred web browser for logging into Benefits 24/7 is going to be Chrome. And then here's a link that will take you to the Benefits 24/7 training environment. Because for now, it is only a training environment because the live version of Benefits 24/7 won't be available on the PEBB Benefits Administrator website until early May. So in the meantime, we are providing you access to the training environment so you can go out there and see how the application works and do some practicing before we go live in May. And then here's what the logo for Benefits 24/7 is going to look like. So just keep in mind that in this training video, the training environment doesn't currently include this logo. But when we go live in May, the application will include this new logo and take on a little bit of a different look. Okay, so to get started with how to get logged into Benefits 24/7, as you can see, I am out here on the PEBB Benefits Administrators webpage. And from this page here, there is currently nowhere to click to just click to get into the Benefits 24/7 application. That's because the live application is not going to be available until early May. And I am not sure where they are going to place a link for that on the PEBB Benefits Administrators webpage. So it could be out here on the main page somewhere, or based on the type of employer you are, it may be here for state agencies or here behind these doors for employer groups. So like for state agencies and institutions of higher education, when you click here on this green option, here's currently where the link for PEBB My Account is. Well, PEBB My Account will be replaced by Benefits 24/7, so this may be where you locate it, but if I go back to the main page under employer groups, the same type of thing, you have this same type of PEBB My Account here. It will either be located on the page for your employer type, or it will be out here somewhere on the main page. Also, there are going to be a couple of other ways to get to Benefits 24/7. So up in the upper right-hand corner, under the login option, you can click on that. Currently, you will see an option for PEBB My Account, but when Benefits 24/7 goes live in May, PEBB My Account will be going away and you will see a clickable option for Benefits 24/7, and that will take you out to the login page. Also, if you go to the bottom of the Benefits Administrator webpage, in this blue toolbar, you will see that there is a PEBB My Account link. That too will be going away and it will be replaced with Benefits 24/7. So you can click on that as well to take you out to the login page. So I am going to go ahead and go out to the training URL that I provided on that one slide previously. So this takes you out to the Benefits 24/7 login for the training environment. So as you can see, it says Benefits 24/7, no longer PEBB My Account. But just keep in mind that when the system does go live in May, this is going to have a little bit of a different look and feel. It's going to have that Benefits 24/7 logo, and the colors are probably going to be different because there's a little bit of a different branding look. But today's video training is to just show you functionality on how to log into Benefits 24/7, and that will not be different once it goes live. So as you can see, we have a couple of purple boxes. this one here and this one here. So the differences are the one on the bottom is where our healthcare authority staff will be logging in. And these will be higher level administrators who work behind the scenes in benefits 24/7, and they're going to have the most access to the system. But also for our benefits administrators who work for state agencies, this key here is where you are also going to log in. If you are a benefits administrator from any other employer type that is not a state agency, then you will be using this purple button to go ahead and log in. Also, this is where your employees are also going to be logging into benefits 24/7 to do their self-enrollment into the benefits program when they use the program. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate for our state agency benefits administrators how to log in. So I'm going to click here on this purple button. It is going to ask me to pick an account that is associated with my employer. So it should have your name and your work email. And if that's the case, then it comes up for you. Click on that. And then pretty simple, you are launched into the Benefits 24/7 application. So as you can see, as an employee of the Healthcare Authority, mine says HCA and Administrative Dashboard. Yours will have your employer's name here as well as Administrative Dashboard, because as a benefits administrator, this is the dashboard and all of the information that you're going to be able to work in once you gain access into the system. It is going to welcome you just like it welcomes me, and that's how you will know that you are in the right place. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this one, and that's in the upper right hand corner. I'm just going to click on sign out. Takes a little bit. And then I'm going to go back to that same training site login, and I'm going to log in now as a BA or an employee who wants to get into benefits 24/7. And this will be for BAs who do not work for state agencies. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, it's going to bring you to the Secure Access Washington site. So many of our benefits administrators are already going to have a login for their work email. But because this SAW page, when you're logging in from our training environment, is a test SAW page up here in the URL, you can see test up there. Your login credentials that are attached to your work email are not already set up in this test environment. So in order to do that, you are going to go ahead and need to click on this sign up option to get your work email and login information registered with the test environment in order for it to work in the Benefits 24/7 training environment. Also keep in mind that your employees who are newly eligible and get enrolled in this system that want to do, and we do highly encourage that they do this, that they do their own enrollment into Benefits 24/7, they too will need to sign up for an account with SAW. So how you do that is you just click on the sign up key, you type in your first name, your last name, and the primary email for benefits administrators who are signing up to use this as a benefits administrator, you're going to put your work email in here because it's your work email that we have you set up in Benefits 24/7. Those have to align in order for you to be able to get into the Benefits 24/7 to use as a benefits administrator. But now we're going to put on a different hat. Say this is you, benefits administrator, in an employee function, because you as an employee, as well as all of your employees, are going to be able to log into Benefits 24/7 and do your benefits elections. When you sign in as an employee, that email needs to be a personal email. So just keep that in mind because benefits administrators are going to have a work and a personal email. But in this instance, I'm showing you how to sign in as a benefits administrator. So I'm going to pick up my work email address. It's going to ask me for a username and a password and to confirm that and say that I'm not a robot. And then it's going to give me this little green key here where I can click on that to create my SAW account. But I am not going to do that because I already have one set up. But when you do that, it's going to send you an email to the email that you used to set up your SAW account. When you go to your email, click on it and open it, there's going to be a link inside that email that you'll click on, and it's going to take you out to SAW site, and it's going to say, hi, we have verified you are who you say you are. Then you're going to close out of that, and it's going to take you right back here to the login page where you're going to go ahead and log in using the credentials you used to create your SAW account. So now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sign in using my information, and I'm going to click on submit. And then it's going to ask me to choose how do I want to receive my verification code for this multi-factor authentication. Well, because I want it to go to my work email, I'm going to click here. And I'm now going to go out to my work email. I am going to go get that message from Secure Access Washington. And as you can see, it's an authentication code. I do not need these 4 numbers. I only need these last 6. So I'm going to go ahead and copy those. I'm going to go back to SAW and I'm going to drop that in. So you can see that 1879, I didn't need those. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert those, hit submit. And it's asking, do I want this to remember my device? I am not going to say anything except for submit. So now I am in to the benefits 24/7, just like I was for the state agency employees. It's going to give you, again, your employer name and your name. So that will be how you know that you gained access into the program correctly. So up here, I wanted to show this feature to our benefits administrators who actually perform BA work for more than one agency. Not everybody does that, but some of you do. So for me, under this select organization, over here to the right is a drop-down function. I'm going to click on that. You can see that these are all of the agencies that I have access to as a benefits administrator. So if you are one of those kind of BAs who has more than one organization, to toggle between the organizations, you could just click on the one that you want to work with. It'll bring that one up. So everything on this page is going to apply to Olympic Medical Center. If you want one for Mason County, now it's Mason County that pops up, and you can work on any of the subscribers for Mason County. So if you are a benefits administrator who only does work for one organization, then this select organization feature will just not be on your screen. So to log out for your day, up in the right hand corner again, we're going to go ahead and click on sign out. Takes a second. And this is how you know you'll be logged out. You are now logged out. And in the event that you run into any problems on how to log into Benefits 24/7, here are some resources that can provide you some additional information. So first, you can send us your questions through the HCA support portal. And when creating your ticket, just be sure to select the Benefits 24/7 online enrollment system as your inquiry type. You can also always reach out to our outreach and training team at the 800 number listed here on this slide. And even though we don't have this available yet, there will be a link coming soon to a Benefits 24/7 Benefits Administrator User Guide. And this guide will provide some step-by-step instructions with screenshots on how to log into Benefits 24/7. So just be on the lookout for this on the PEBB Benefits Administrator website. And for your employees, when they need help with Benefits 24/7 as a subscriber, then you, as their benefits administrator, are going to be their point of contact. So that wraps up our video training on how to log into Benefits 24/7. Thank you for watching, and we do encourage you to take a look at the other videos that we have available on how to use the different features of Benefits 24/7.